What's the meaning of brasserie? Brasserie. Brasserie.
Brasserie. Brasserie. The term brasserie typically refers to a type of French restaurant that serves traditional French cuisine in a casual, relaxed setting. Brasseries are typically characterized by their wide range of menu offerings, which include classic French dishes such as escargots, mussels, steak frites, and quiche, along with more modern variations on these classic dishes. In addition to food, brasseries often serve a variety of beers, wines, and other drinks, and may offer live music or other entertainment. Overall, brasseries are known for their combination of high-quality, authentic French cuisine with a laid-back, informal atmosphere.